Hi, this is Brian from the Gutter Brothers. I'm in Folsom, Pennsylvania, close to the high school, as you can see in the background there. We just completed some new gutters, and look at this. There's a competitor company just completed some gutters next door. So let's take a look at the difference now. This is kind of neat. It's the first time. So we came out here and these gutters were leaking all over the place. They were falling off. They literally fell off the house. You could watch a video of one of our videos on Facebook with where the gutter came down and the fascia board was attached and was on the lawn. You'll remember this little swimming pool back there that was next to, and I explained that the fascia boards weren't reinforced to the gutters. So we reinforced all the fascia boards and then installed these new custom seamless gutters and increased the size of the drains so that he would get maximum water flow. Let me show you the difference now. There's two. The ironic thing is my guys called me up and they said that another gutter company was doing a neighbor's gutters next door. So let's compare, shall we? All right. So this is our gutter. As you can see, maximum water flow. We improved the gutter system from what it was. We didn't just replace it. Now you could say replacing it's improving it, which is true. If they're really bad, replacing it is improving it. We want to step further, increase the size of the drain, and put one of our custom superflow outlets up. And this is the competitor company downspout. So it's a standard 2x3, 2 3/8 of an inch outlet, which is a very small hole, which is pretty standard. And personally, I would have made that elbow go that way. So it's pretty much just going to run up the lawn and then down the lawn. And you can see the erosion. All that erosion, that's going to continue to take place because there wasn't an extension put onto this downspout. It probably should have been an elbow this direction and then maybe an extension of some sort to get over that mud, or to at least push it away or a little closer to the driveway. So that erosion that's taking place underneath that foundation will continue with the way that is. All right, it'll work and it's installed, but we would have went a step further and made sure that wasn't going to continue to happen. As you can see here on this downspout, there's an extension. So we try to push it away from the house 2 to 3 feet away from the house, and that way the water doesn't come back to the foundation. All right, let's walk to the rear. This is where the gutter fell down. I really came here to look at this to kind of give you an after video on this. And this is where the gutter fell down. And there's that new gutter on the rear. If you recall, we thought that maybe the rafter tails were, we thought the rafter tails were in good shape with some roofing issues. Turns out everything was okay up there. And then we added a gutter here. Again, we increased the size of the drain to this one to a 3x4. And you can see we added an extension to this one. They did not put a second drain on that gutter, just the one, which is sufficient for that roof. But if you can get another drain in there, why not? And then we also added gutter protection, gutter guards, gutter RX gutter protection to these gutters. You can't see them from the ground, but these gutters are covered and protected against any kind of debris or snow piling up inside them. So this was a Gutter Brothers job here. And you have choices, and we are from Delaware County, from your local community. And this is, there's their sign. It's on the lawn. This is their job. And I believe they are from Delaware. They do have a Pennsylvania operation, I think up north, northern Pennsylvania, but they're from Delaware. And it's their installation. And this is what maybe the homeowner agreed on with them. So in their defense, this is what maybe all they wanted. But that's the difference you'll get between the two companies. And sometimes when you're comparing prices, they're the differences, the key differences. Well, that was a first time for me that we had two competitive companies working side by side. I like our sign better too. Anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time, this is Brian signing off. Take care. God bless.